Welcome to Miami. Have a bright day. Bienvenido a Miami.
What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Miami. We just took the Brightline train from Orlando all the way down south to Miami Central. We're gonna check out Miami. We have a full day planned. We're gonna check out some food spots, check out the Miami beach. We're gonna head to the Fontainebleau Miami Beach and see what that's like. I'll bring you guys around with us and show you the ins, the outs, the food, the amenities, what they got to do down here in Miami. We know Miami is a really popular city. We're traveling all the way from Orlando. It took us 3.5 hours to get down here. We just disembarked from the Brightline station here at Miami Central. The station is really pristine. I'll show you some shots of the station right now. As you know, Brightline is the new high-speed rail that they have here in the States. It goes all the way from Orlando in Central Florida to Miami in South Florida. They are in the works to have one installed from LA to go all the way across to Las Vegas. I know they've been talking about that for a while. The one from Orlando to Miami is in service right now, and it's a pretty cool experience. I'll have a full video on our experience traveling from Orlando down to Miami, and I'll leave that in the link down below. Leave a like on this video if you like this type of content, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. Let's go check out Miami. We're on our tour here of downtown Miami in the Brickell area. We walked about 20 minutes from the Miami Central station. That's where we got off our Brightline train. We've been walking ever since just to check it out. We didn't want to really take any Ubers or taxis. We wanted to just get an experience of what Miami's like. We've been here before, maybe about 10 years ago, actually. So far, so good. It's about 30 degrees right now, Celsius, maybe about 72 Fahrenheit, thereabout. We're heading to a restaurant they have here called Craft Brickell. They should have some pretty good brunch. We're visiting Miami at the end of May on a Saturday. Let's check that out, see what the food is like. Let's go. This is what the W Hotel here in Miami looks like, and this is right in Brickell. We've already seen a bunch of supercars. You can see a Porsche going by right now, and just across here you can see a McLaren, bright orange. That's how you know you're in Miami. We've been in Orlando for the past few days and we haven't seen any of those cars. And the moment we get to Miami, we can see them. Cool coffee shop here, pretty nice. We should be close to Craft Brickle right now, which is our first order of business. So we're coming up to Craft Brickle just up on the left here. It's top rated here in Miami for brunch. We're gonna check it out and see what it's like. We are in Brickle right now, Miami Central Business District. Here it is, folks. We have the Milano Caprese over here, and then we have the strawberry blueberry pancakes with caramel and maple syrup. We just finished our meal here at Craft Brickle. We had brunch. We tried the pancakes and the Milano Caprese. Solid brunch items, to be honest. I would say the pancakes were like a 7 out of 10, and the Milano Caprese, which is like a breaded chicken with cheese, that was like a 7.5 out of 10. We're gonna continue checking out downtown Brickle here and see what it's all about. Let's check it out. Check for things to do, attractions, concert venues, and so on, done by the Miami Development Authority. Pretty cool stuff. One of the most popular cities in the world, located in Dade County in Florida, the MIA. Check it out, peeps. We just caught a boat crossing here on Brickell Avenue in downtown Miami, and the road has now opened for the larger boats to head through. We're at the Miami River Greenway right now. We just came from the Brickell Avenue Bridge. We managed to get a view of the bridge being lifted to let through some boats, so that's pretty interesting. We're gonna walk along the Miami waterfront right now and check out the boat and see if we can head across to Miami Beach later. Check it out. We're just going by the Miami Skywheel over there, and this is Bayfront Park right now. They have a dog park here, a playground for the kids, and it's just adjacent to the Intercontinental Miami. That's gonna be a wrap for my video here on Miami. We spent the day here, checked out a few spots here in the city. We're happy to come back to Miami after like 8-9 years. We haven't been here in that long. It was good to come back, see what the city is like. We originally took the Brightline train. We wanted to check that out and what it's like to take it from Orlando, because we are staying in Orlando, and we took it early in the morning, like 5 a.m. from Orlando, coming down to Miami here through the rapid transit train Brightline. That's a new train that they have here in South Florida, connecting South Florida with Central Florida. I have a full video on that. You can check that out in the description down below. We spent the entire day here in Miami. It was a great experience. Checked out a few spots. Checked out Miami Beach. We went to the Fontainebleau Miami Beach, which is a 5-star hotel in Miami Beach. Miami Beach is separate and apart from Miami. It's across the bridge and further out, about 5 miles away from downtown Miami, where I am right now. My daughter enjoyed some sun, sea, and sand. Definitely recommend coming to stay in Miami for your vacation. We'll rent a boat down here, check out the water. You can hear some boats passing me right now. They're having a lot of fun on the water out there. That's gonna be a wrap for our trip here to Miami. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I will have some more videos on South Florida, including my trip on Brightline from Orlando to Miami, and also the Fontainebleau Miami Beach, 5-star hotel in Miami Beach. See you in the next one. Take care and peace out from Miami, Florida.